On this episode of At the D Spot, we're making a simple and delicious guacamole. Let's go. For a full list of ingredients, be sure to check the description box below. If you're new to At the D Spot, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. I've decided to make some guacamole because I see so many people buying it at the store. It's so expensive, and why buy something that's got preservatives in it when you can make it yourself so easy at home? Let's get started.
First, we're going to start with our avocados, and I have 3 large Hass avocados that are perfectly ripe. And when I mean perfectly ripe, that means when you squeeze them, they are not too hard and they are not too soft. I cut the avocados down the middle, scoop out the flesh, and add them to our mixing bowl. These avocados look perfect. Next, I'm going to dice up about 1/3 of a red onion, and I prefer to use red onion for my guacamole because I love the sweetness that I get from the red onion flavor. Next, I take 1 Roma plum tomato, I dice it up, and add that to our mixing bowl as well. I like to add jalapeno to my guac for some flavor and heat. I am removing the ribs and the seeds from this jalapeno because I'm not looking for this batch of guacamole to be spicy, but normally I would add both the seeds and the ribs. Next, I have a small handful of fresh cilantro that I'm going to dice up and add to our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to cut and squeeze out the juice of 1 lime, and I love the vibrance and the freshness that the lime juice gives to the guacamole. It's a nice contrast to the rich creaminess of the avocado. Now that all of our ingredients are in the mixing bowl, we're just going to take a fork and smash everything down and mix it all together and make sure that it's well combined. Now it's time to season our guac, and I'm adding salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Once we've added our seasonings, we just give our guacamole a stir, and there you have it. 1, 2, 3 simple and delicious restaurant-style guacamole. Now it's time to serve our guacamole, and I'm pairing it with some fresh, crispy tortilla chips. Look at that amazing guac. The only thing that's missing is a margarita.
Okay, everyone, we are back. Our homemade restaurant style guacamole is done. You see, it only took us a few minutes to make it. We got way more than a pound, way more than you would have gotten at the store purchasing it. And I can't wait to try it. I'm serving mine with some tortilla chips. You can use pita chips, potato chips, any kind of chips that you like. You know that I won't be mad at you. Let's give this a try. Super fresh, creamy. The vibrance of the lime juice is coming through. I've got the freshness of the tomatoes, the jalapeno, the red onion. Everything together really works. And you can put whatever you want, the different quantities or different ingredients you can omit. You also have the freshness of the cilantro in there. It doesn't matter. You can make it to suit your taste. Make this super simple and delicious guac at home. I know that you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of At the D Spot. I'm Danny, and remember, be good to one another. We're all connected. Till next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Nothing beats homemade.